Hold on, let me adjust my mic, nigga. Don't start recording yet. I ain't say I was ready. Alright, can we get a countdown? YouTube. You already know, man. Before I open this box, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Did I already say it again? Y'all better say it once, so I gotta say it twice, because y'all ain't done it yet. Let's get it, man. We got a colorway that says Varsity Red, Black Varsity Red, Varsity Road, Varsity. But motherfuckers ain't even in college. What the fuck is all this Varsity, boy? The fuck? Alright, so bam, we finna check the lid. God damn, these bitch, nigga, these shit's crazy. The fuck? Hey, hold on. I'm gonna just pop this bitch open. Bam! We got the 2020 1985 Air Jordan 1 reverse Breds, Varsity Red, whatever the hell you want to call them, with the OG 85 cut. On these shoes specifically, they redid the stars and all type of stuff on these. So like, let me show y'all. Y'all can see it from here. Y'all see they redid the stars. They're a little bit different on the midsole than like the standard Jordan 1. These are supposed to be like the remake, so they got the higher cut and all that, better quality. I don't really know if it is. I don't believe so. I'm not falling for the hype. I'm not boo boo the fool. You feel me? But these is hard though. These definitely is hard. God, if I have my other Breds, I'll show you. Matter of fact, I think I got one. Hold on. As if I don't drop the whole stack of shoes over here. Y'all get ready, because this shoe review's coming up next. But I just want to show y'all for comparison. These are the Breds. These are the original Bred, but these are the patent. So y'all see them. It's supposed to be the reverse of them. Y'all see that? Y'all getting the real. See, I got the real flavors in here. You feel me? This is the real buffet. Y'all get to see everything. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Who giving y'all these cuts like this? That's the reversal though. Y'all see how the toe box and everything's reversed? Look at that shit. Yeah, this how we coming. This how we come around here. Yeah, we crispy around here. Look at that. I'm gonna show y'all, get y'all a little better footage on this camera angle right here. Y'all see the reds is real close. They're a little bit different though. Yeah, they fire. These are crispy. But, back to these. Y'all ain't supposed to see none of this shit. Y'all get that shit out the way. You ain't supposed to see none of that. Just look at these, all right? Y'all look at these. 85 Jordan Bred 2020. These was the first or second, depending on how you want to think about it. They released two versions. They did a Chicago like white and red version. I'm gonna try to put a picture if I remember so y'all can see. But these were the two first versions of the 85 cut they wanted to do for 2020. And they also did the Michael Jordan documentary and all that. I'm a real Chicagoan, I know all this, you feel me? Either it's in you or it's not. Bam. Red laces. Hold on. Did I get gypped? Did they put one? Hey, folks, I think they put one. Hey, I bought these used. This nigga got one lace in here, bro. He put one lace. What about the other shoe? Man. Bro, that's how y'all gotta do niggas, man. They be out here wilding. Fuck, man. He put one lace in here. That's why his ass wasn't getting what he asked for. Fuck. Goofy. Whatever. But shout out to him. I don't know what the fuck his name is. I'll be high as hell. But yeah, man, these shits is fired. Like I said, I'm over here doing triple uploads today. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm gonna be at Sneaker Fest in Schaumburg today. It's May 22nd, you feel me? I'm trying to get these videos out for y'all. You know, because it's all love in here, and especially love for the game, you feel me? Damn, look at them. These boys crispy. Alright, but I think I'm done with this review. This is the box that it came in. Y'all get the idea. Alright, bam. I'm gone. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all check out my other links. I got my beats going up too this week. I've been on a roll. I just got out of school. I'm trying to get everything up for y'all so y'all can see all this, that, and the third at the same time. I'm going to keep it rolling and pushing for y'all, alright? Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm going to rock with y'all. Alright, I'm gone. Let's get it!
Boom.